Welcome students to the video tutorial of how to download Microsoft Teams and install it. So first of all, I will open any web browser like Firefox. So you will write here Microsoft Teams download or download Microsoft Teams and enter. We'll see that first of all here it will come download desktop and mobile apps Microsoft Teams. So I will click it and it will take me to the website of Microsoft. Here, first of all, we may find download for desktop or download for mobile phone. So sometimes it is not there. If it is in different way, you will see here corner the download Teams. So anyone is, if you click, it will work. So I'm here download for desktop. You can see this. So if I click it, it will come a download Teams. So here I will click here download Teams and my download will start. You see Teams Windows x64 exe. So I just give save a file and you see here it is downloading. If I click it, I'll see that this is downloading. So I will wait for the download to be completed. So when it will be fully downloaded, I'll click it to install it. I click it and the installation will start. I will wait here for some minutes depending on the computer speed and other things. Microsoft Teams will start in some moments. We have to wait for that. So if you are already signed in, you may see this. Okay, if you click, now this is the program. If you click it, it will start, and here you just give your ID and password that we have provided you. Suppose my one is, remember one thing, that you have to write clearly all the things. If you make any mistakes anywhere, it will show differently. If your ID is okay, then if you just click it here sign in, then it will take you to next level, which you have to give the password here. So I'm writing my password, and if you just give sign in, it will sign in. Okay, it signed in. So I'll find out how many classes I have. If I have more classes, if I have just added more classes of my school, add me some classes, I will see according to my role in the class. Suppose I'm a teacher, I have here teachers panel. So I have personal classes, so I'll just do this. It will appear some pop-ups. It's okay. So thank you for watching this, because this is enough to install and start your Teams. And I will just give more video tutorials how you will just attend the classes, how to start the classes and other things. And thank you very much for watching this.